How to copy, link, and share Google Drive folder. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we will be teaching you, so let's just get started without any delay. First of all, you can just go over to Drive, Google Drive, and open it up and select your account in which the folder is located. So you may go ahead and navigate through the folders available and look for the folder that you're trying to share. So for example, if I would like to share this photos folder, all you gotta do is look out for the three dot beside it, tap on it, and once you tap on it, a menu appears. So in order to share a link, you can directly find an option of copy link. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and once tapped on it, you may just go ahead and close your Drive folder and head over to the chats. So for example, if it is on WhatsApp, open up WhatsApp or Instagram, Facebook, anything, and you can head over to one of the chats and paste it in here like this and hit send, and the folder should be shared. So this is how you copy, link, and share your folder from Google Drive. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.